Onion bhajis are much less complicated to make than you might think, and I'm going to share with you the secret for lovely, light, fluffy onion bhajis with that gorgeous crunch. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Onion bhajis are almost seen as a standard. Made fresh and then fried right before serving, they make a delicious and crunchy side dish, starter, or even a party food. I'm really excited to be making this one today, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by heating the oil. I've got about 4 cups or about a litre of oil in a heavy base saucepan here. You need to ensure you've got at least 3 inches of oil, but also plenty of room at the top of the pan so that it doesn't boil over. And we're going to heat that up and then start on the onion bhaji mixture. Peel and finely slice 2 large onions and place them in a large mixing bowl. Now we're going to build up those layers of flavour, starting with 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Next in goes a green chilli that's been finely chopped, plus a teaspoon each of ground cumin, ground coriander, chili flakes and fenugreek, along with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of garlic salt. We're also going to add in a tablespoon of dried coriander leaf, a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. The last dry ingredient to go in is the gram flour, also known as chickpea flour or besan. It's a real staple in Indian cookery, and it gives the batter a light nutty taste which is really delicious. I also use it in my chicken pakora recipe. It's the gram flour plus the bicarbonate of soda and the corn flour, which gives lots of lovely crunch to the onion bhajis while ensuring they're still lovely and light. So in goes 130 grams, which is about 1.5 cups plus 2 tablespoons of gram flour, and mix it all together to coat the onions. So now we're going to add the water to bring the batter together. I've got 135 ml of water here, which is about half a cup plus a tablespoon. Add the water a splash at a time until you've got a nice thick batter that coats all of the onions. We want to get to about this consistency. You might not need all of the water. Now test the heat of the oil by dropping a little blob of the batter into the pan. It should sizzle and rise to the top. Now we want to add rounded tablespoons of the onion bhaji mixture to the oil. I like to squeeze the mixture with my hand and then place it back on the spoon and carefully lower it into the oil. This helps give the onion bhajis a uniform shape, and it also helps to ensure it doesn't fall apart in the oil. Repeat so you've got 4 or 5 bhajis frying at the same time. We don't want to add more than this to the oil, as the oil may boil over, and also too much mixture will cool the oil, which will result in greasy onion bhajis that aren't as crisp. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes, turning once, until the bhajis are a dark golden brown. Remove from the pan with a slotted spoon and drain on kitchen paper. Then repeat, frying further bhajis until the mixture is all used up. Once all of the onion bhajis are cooked, we're going to serve them up on a plate and sprinkle with fresh coriander or cilantro. Super tasty, crispy onion bhajis. They go perfectly with homemade raita. And if you like this recipe, you've got to try my chicken pakora recipe next. See you next time.